Hello and welcome back to my C-10 rebuild. In this episode, I'm going to replace the bedside on my square body. First, I need to raise the truck bed up so I can gain access to those bolts there in the front end bed panel. Gotta work to get these bad boys off. But since it's only spot welded at those little pieces, I can just rock it back and forth and it'll break those wales off. But the key thing is once you cut the wales off, the tack wales off here, you should be able to slide this whole panel off now. This is the piece that was causing a headache at the end there. They tack welded here and right there. You can see where I cut that one well loose. So bolt here through this piece for the bed. There are 8 bolts in the rear, 4 in the tail housing, 4 in the side. You will find 8 bolts here in the wheel housing. You will also find 6 bolts here in the front and 5 bolts here in the front end bed panel. And lastly, don't forget the 1 bolt here at the bed bracing. Here's the original. Yep, you can see that bent out inside. So as you can see here underneath, I have the other bolts here that I got put in, but this piece right here is going to need to line up some more with the hose, the nuts on the back of this piece here. So that's what I'm working on now. Once I get that side pushed in quite a bit, then I'll be able to go ahead and bolt that down, and we should be good to go from there. Now the weird part about this particular panel, it should have some nuts on the back of this to bolt through there, but there isn't any. That's the only difference between this aftermarket unit and the actual original stock unit. Okay, let me get it set up. Okay, the new bedside looks great. The installation wasn't too difficult. Remember, I had 28 bolts to remove. The challenging part was the tack wells there on the tail posts. Hope you find this video useful. Until next time, take care and God bless. Thank you.